Have you noticed heaviness in your feet after sitting for a long time? That sensation is often related to circulation. When you sit, your knees remain bent for extended periods. In that position, blood flow in the legs can slow down. Gravity constantly pulls blood downward toward your feet. Normally, your calf muscles help push blood upward. But while sitting, the calf muscles stay mostly inactive. Without contraction, upward blood return becomes weaker. Inside your veins are small one-way valves. These valves help prevent blood from flowing backward. When muscle activity is reduced, valve support weakens. Blood may begin to move more slowly through the veins. Over time, more blood can collect near the lower legs. This is often felt as heaviness or mild swelling. The pooling is usually temporary. But here's what many people overlook. The strength of your calf muscle depends on nutrition. After 50, muscle preservation becomes protein dependent.
Age-related sarcopenia.
If protein intake is too low, muscle fibers thin gradually. Thinner fibers produce weaker contractions. Weaker contractions reduce pump efficiency.
On the strong contraction side, blood flow is efficient. We observe significantly
Reduced pump strength makes pooling more noticeable. Protein breaks into amino acids during digestion. These amino acids travel through the bloodstream. Inside muscle fibers, they support repair and maintenance. Adequate protein preserves muscle thickness. Magnesium supports balanced contraction and relaxation. Without magnesium, muscles may feel tight or fatigued. Balanced contraction improves venous return. Hydration also influences circulation. When dehydrated, blood becomes slightly thicker. Thicker blood moves more slowly through the veins. Electrolyte balance influences fluid retention. Excess sodium may increase ankle swelling. Balanced potassium helps regulate fluid levels. Iron supports healthy red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen to the calf muscles. Oxygen supports muscle endurance. Better endurance supports stronger contractions. Stronger contractions improve circulation. Movement activates the calf muscle pump. But nutrition determines its strength. Consistent nourishment protects long-term venous health. Small daily habits make a difference. Protecting your legs begins with both movement and balanced nutrition.